Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to make mini sparkline graph in Google Sheets. Why would you want to know how to make mini sparkline graph in Google Sheets? Well, maybe you are new to Google Sheets. So today I'm going to show you how to make mini sparkline graph in Google Sheets. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay, let's merge some cells to make it some bigger. Mirror cells, okay. Type equal, then spark line, click on it, okay. Choose the range you want. That easy, guys. Okay, let's make it smaller. Like this. Okay. That easy, guys. There you go. If you want to know how to make mini sparkline graph in Google Sheets, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.